Okay guys, we're doing another video here in the Polanco area. So I'm traveling Eddie and I'm feeling a little better, and they got the Tesla shop over there. And I mean, this is telling you about the place. Look at the Massimo Dutti shop. An uncle of mine loves this place, the brand anyway. So hey, we're going places, and I'm taking you to places far and near and wide and whatever in between, fancy schmancy, ugly looking and everything in between. So let's check it out. Let's continue going here. There's even a Rolex shop right over there across the street. I'm just looking for the mall so I can find a public restroom and all that. I mean, there's some even shops I never heard of in my life. Then again, I don't get out much until now, you know, until I started traveling just about 2 months ago. Wow, look at this. I mean, this is the high-end, the Richy rich neighborhood. Look at the Rolex shop over there. But I'm looking for the mall. Louis Vuitton shop. And the mall I'm looking for is like a couple of blocks more that way. Look at that building. That's an apartment building or something, and it has that whole strange architectural design. Coco Chanel number 5. I prefer 108. Wow. Let's not get hit by any of these big vehicles. I mean, if you go into one of these shops like Bruno Cucinelli or Mont Blanc for a pen, I mean, maybe my 2-month salary would be left in a pen. And then Dolce & Gabbana, I'll probably leave another 2 months salary there. Hell no. I mean, just look at how they keep these buildings look, and look at this building with all this kind of shrub, and they cut it so beautifully. It looks just so nice. Look at this nice tree right here. Looks beautiful. Some shops are empty right now, probably because of what's going on these days. And look at this house. Look at the architecture. This was a house once. Now it's somebody's office or something. And the little car there, little smart thing, whatever they call those jams. Hey, don't get me wrong, I love, you know, the high life and everything right now. I just don't have the money for it. Ooh, and I see some beautiful women up the street. She got short shorts on too. Cartier, look at the Cartier shop. They're fixing it up. I mean, there is money in them darn hills. And then we got that funny looking building over there. That don't look pretty. That kind of sticks out like a sore thumb for this area. But who am I to say? So that's Cartier. And look at the beautiful apartment or building or whatever it is for rent. Nicely designed. I mean, just look at this avenue. I was going from the Presidente Masaryk Ave to the Horatio Ave. And look at how beautiful these trees are. These are where people live. These are the rich people of Mexico City. Remember the cartoon Richy Rich? It was a cartoon. In case you guys don't know, look it up on Google it. You'll see it, or even on YouTube, probably. Here on YouTube. I thank YouTube, really I do. Look at that whole little avenue right there with just apartment buildings that are no more than 4 stories high. And people are, some are businesses and some are just homes to people. Wow. And I love doing this because I love exploring and I love taking you guys along with me. I hope you enjoy the stuff I'm doing. Today was a laid back day. It is a laid back day. I just don't want to be carrying around a gimbal, a backpack or anything like that. It's my day. It's Sunday. So I kind of like took a day off. Oh, so that is the mall I'm looking for. That funny building I told you about before. Wow. And look at this building over here. Nice architecture. Somebody's home. But the mall is that funny looking thing. I hadn't even really paid attention to it the other day when I came with my host, Eduardo. Nice guy. Nice dude. Really nice, hospitable, and has taken me out twice to explore some neighborhoods that I would never have really found out about had it not been for him. So, Eduardo, if you're ever watching this in English, thanks a lot, brother. Thanks a lot. So we're going to that high-end mall. It's called the Palace of something, or I don't know what. We'll see in a moment. but I can't go filming inside because they'll get cranky wanky really big time. Wow, look at this. This is they got it closed off right now, but it's like a temple, like a church or something they're making. So this is the Horatio Avenue, Avenida Horacio, and with Avenida Avenue Molière, French kind of name. Look at it, it's beautiful, this whole area. You can just tell there's a little roundabout here. Wow, that's where we're going, that's where I'm going. And nice water fountain. The other day it was just starting to rain, so it didn't look all that nice. And a lady with a beautiful little doggy walking around. Nice little beautiful dog. Look, you can go walking around this camel. They call it a camel. The other day I said camello because I misunderstood and somebody corrected me. I think they were angry. Big deal if they were angry. Whatever. I'm learning. It's called El Palacio de Hierro, the Iron Palace. And look at the water fountain. I'll film up until we get to that point to get in, but not inside because I want to avoid any kind of headaches. Wow. Yeah, that's a strange thing. It's like a church they're building there. But I can't get a good angle on it. But anyhow, let me just go across quickly here. And look at the water fountain. And this is where they got the expensive shops. You got to come here and check it out yourselves, guys. Because I'm not going to have problems with security. They got really tight security in there. And they even have some gardens up there, like maybe some offices or maybe I don't know what. And I can see some kind of like gardens. Wow, this is beautiful. I hope you liked the video so far. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe to the channel. The subscription to the channel is free, baby, yeah, free. And it helps the channel grow, really. Just don't hit the bell notification icon. The bell icon for notifications, because I upload daily videos. And I know most of you don't want to get that daily notification, and even sometimes 2 or 3, because I'm doing shorts videos, which are 60 seconds or less videos, just for people that don't have the time or prefer that kind of format. And then I do these regular vlogs where they're 5, 8, 10, 15 minutes long, even 20 sometimes, because walking tours, that's what I specialize in, walking tours. So the subscription helps the channel grow. And the like, by pressing the like button below, the subscription button is below too. By hitting the like button, like the little doggy there, beautiful little doggy, awesome little doggy, bonito el perrito, nice beautiful doggy. By hitting the like button, it will help this video or any video you give a like to get out to more people on YouTube. It will help any video you like on YouTube get out to more people. So really consider that when you really like a video. And share them. Share any video you like on YouTube, on your social media networks, like on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. Oh, I don't know. You guys know more than me. I'm 49 years old, going on 50. And we're here at the Iron Palace, but I cannot film inside. And remember to leave comments down below. The comments help, because it lets other people in the YouTube community that are watching this video and reading the comments understand what other people think about this video or any video you're watching. Let's see. So basically that, guys. And leave questions, be respectful. And I'm here in Mexico City. I'm here in Mexico until December. Oh, a nice Porsche. A nice Porsche. So, yeah. Basically, that's it for now. Beautiful Porsche. And that's it. I'm going to India, hopefully next year at the beginning, if India's open. So bye-bye.